Order submitted. Order canceled.
Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? I have got some major internet problems this morning. I'm not really quite sure what's happening, but I don't know. We'll see. I hope you guys can hear and see me. So good morning to everybody. Let's see. Good morning, Richie. Good morning, Trampas. Good morning, Beth. Good morning, Joe. Rich. Good morning, Miguel. And good morning, Mitch. So today is supposed to be rollover day, but I'm looking at the contracts, and the March contract still has larger volume than the June contract. And my trading view, here, let's just go to that real quick. My trading view charts did not roll over. So, don't know. I'm going to stick with the March contract. I don't actually think I'm going to trade this thing today because I'm not really quite sure where we are on the volume. So it's better to play it safe than sorry. I just don't want to throw stuff out there. We'll watch it and see what happens, but I don't think I'm going to trade this thing today. Just doesn't. It's not the way I want to do this when I've got, like I said, I've got some internet issues and the contracts didn't roll over, so I don't think I'm going to trade this. But we will watch it. I will go through the analysis and and everything else. Maybe we'll take it in sim just to kind of see what's what, but I am not going to trade this. Yeah, Richie, exactly. It's better not to force anything. There's no reason to give stuff away. So, all right, we got just another minute or so before the market opens. Let's take a look really quickly and see what happened in the overnight. Let's see. So if we look at it, we have the low somewhere down here. And then the high was right here. Do we have any news? Yeah, we got some low-level news at 10 o'clock. Nothing to worry about. Okay, so market's pushing down yet again. You can see we've got the 5, 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames all pushing down. If we take a look at the 15, it's been pushing down for the last 45 minutes, you can tell, and everything is continuing to push downward. So as of now, we do not have a signal to take this thing long. And let's see, TradeHawk, good morning. If you're just joining us a little bit late, I've been having some internet issues. NinjaTrader did roll over. I did not roll my NinjaTrader charts over yet, and TradingView did not roll over, so I'm still on the March contract. Volume is sort of split, so I am not going to be trading today. I'm not going to take this. I'm not going to take a chance. But we will continue to analyze the market and take a look and see if we get a setup. As it sits right now, we do not have one. So we'll wait to see what happens when the market opens. If I
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, I place an order, but I get a little bit of delay. I'm not going to mess with it. Like I said, and I keep getting connection loss, and my other computers are kind of going connection lost on me. So, and I need them up and running as well, just because the way I have my trade copier set up. So, yep, these internet things are been plaguing me. I got in here at 4:30 this morning my time, so I've been trying to get this thing up and running for the last 2 hours. Okay, did the market open? This is kind of interesting. The movement on the market's pretty slow. That's pretty interesting. Looks like the market's been open for a minute and a half already. Yeah, my charts are lagging by like 50 seconds. So that's why I don't have the market did not open on mine yet on my computer. So let's see. Yeah, even my trading view is lagging, which is really weird because yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm not even getting the correct price on anything. Yeah, I guess we have to roll this thing over. Yeah, even actually, I'm looking at my June contract volume. Even that's got a delay on it of 37 seconds. So yeah, this is this is bizarre. Anyway, it happens, guys. These kind of things. That's what happens when electronic trading. But anyhow, as we can tell, whatever we can tell on the chart, the price is moving up to the highs of the overnight session. And if it continues to push up, then there will be a signal to go long. I'm not really quite sure what the current June contract price is, but the March price is sitting at 19,747. Can somebody type in the chat, what is the actual price right now? 19,953. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's yeah, and I'm looking at I've got Quant Tower that I'm running as well, and that did not auto roll over either, and that's still sitting on the March contract. So yeah, it's this thing is completely a mess for me. So I can't even tell what we're looking at price wise, guys. I don't even know, since we are where we're at, if we have a signal. Let me try to roll over real quick, see if it gives me anything. All right, so I'll roll everything over and see if this thing updates and how long it's going to take to update. 19,928. Yeah, okay. So, all right, well, there's 15 seconds left. There is a signal to go long. So we basically need to close above 926 to take this thing long. So once this bar opens, this would be a long entry to take it long. I'm watching the rolled over chart. The entry price looks like it got in at like 960, 966 or so. It is retracing, and it looks like it would have stopped you out. So, but yeah, I wasn't going to trade this thing. It's just this was just a complete no-go for me. So, yeah, it stopped out, Beth. I can take a look and see at the chart that it would have stopped you out. So this is one of the dangers when you're also trading on a rollover day. The volume is just not there like it's supposed to be. Because I'm looking at the March contract, and the March contract still is outpacing the June contract by almost 20,000 contracts. So the volume's not there. But anyhow, guys, not exactly what we were looking for today. However, what we can walk away with in this and lesson learned is don't push the issue, right? Don't go and try to put a square peg in a round hole. If things just don't look right, then just like, hey, hands off, we're going to come back tomorrow and we'll get this thing, regrouped and make sure that everything is working the way it's supposed to. So as soon as there's an issue and things are not working right, you can just sit there and watch it, but there's no need to put any money at risk, which is exactly what I did today. Basically stayed out. So anyhow, guys, that's what we're walking away with today. Hope we learned something. We will see you guys back here again tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. And if you are going to trade today, be careful. The volume is still not there. It'll probably catch up maybe in a couple hours or so, I'm guessing. So just, trade well, trade safe, and we'll see everybody back here tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day. Bye now.